Okay.
Okay. This means that each of R, M, N equals 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. This means that only possible prime factors of R, M, N are 2 and 3. Why we go for prime factors here?
So there's only two. They're saying that there's only 2 prime factors in the entire set.
Which is 2 and 3.
Yeah.
So each of 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9 includes at most 2 factors of 3, and only 9 includes 2 factors of 3. What does it mean?
So they're saying that there's 2 factors of 3 at most. There's 3, and then from 9 there's 2 factors.
Okay.
So you can't have more than 2 factors of 3 in the RMN.
And only 9 includes 2 factors of 3. What does it mean?
Well, 9 is the same as 3 squared, so
Yes.
that's 2 3s.
Yes. This means R, M, N contains at most 6 factors of 3. So now we're gonna draw these cases again. So we are assuming the number of factors of 3 in RMN as W. So the W is equal to 6. R, M, N is 9, which means it is going to be 9 cube. Please ignore the background noise. I don't have babysitter today. The baby is disturbing.
That's fine.
So you have 9 cube. At most is 6, right? So you have to check what if W is 6, what if W is 5, what is W for 3, for 2, for 1, and for 0 also we need to check. Okay.
Yeah.
For 5, 2 of the RMN equal 9, and third is 3 or 6. What does it mean? 2 of the RMN equals 9, and third is 3 or 6 means which values you will choose?
So they're saying that there's one of the numbers is 9. I mean, 2 of the numbers are 9. So let's say R and M are 9, and then the third one has to be 6. Or M and N are 9, and then R is 6, and there's altogether 2 values.
Yes. So what if W is 4? Either 2 of R, M, N equal 9, and third doesn't include the factor of 3 because it is 4. Or 1 of R, M, N equals 4, and second and third at each 3 or 6.
Yeah. So that means one of them is 9, and the third one is not a factor of 9.
2 of them. 2 of them. It's 9 square into 2, 9 square into 4, 9 square into 8, like that. And you have 9 into 3 into 3. How does this happen?
If you have 9 times 9. So like in the first 2 options, there's 3, and in the last one, there's 9.
Yeah. And again, you like here you are having 9 into 3 into 6. And what if you have 9 into 6 into 6 also? Because we are not sure. The third are each 3 or 6. So it could be 3 into 3, 6 into 6, or 3 into 6. So you're just combining them
all together, there's 4.
Yes. So if you multiply and check, this is 1, this is 2, and this one is 3. I think here again you will have 1 minute. Let me write the values here.
Okay.
It's 81 into 2, which will give you 162.
162.
And for this, it's 81 into 4, which will give you 324. And for this, you will have 648. And for this, you will have 81. And for this, you will have 18
100.
into 9.
You have 162.
162. And for this, you will have 36 into 9. What is 36 into 9? It's 324, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're just going to ignore the repetitions. So you will have 4 values here. Can you follow this, Shana?
Yeah, I understand all the values.
I hope you are able to follow the rest of the cases too. When W is 3, we can have one of Rm equals 9 and 1 equals 3 or 6. The last equals to 2, 4, 8.
Yeah.
Why do you have that? Can you explain why we are having like this?
Okay. So if we have W equals 3, that must mean that RMN is 1 is equal to 9 and then 1 equal to 3 or 6. Or we can have the last one and then have the last one equal to like something that's not a multiple of 3. Or the other option is have each of them be 3 or 6. So like they're saying for the first situation, if 1 is equal to 9 and the other 2 is equal to 3 or 6 and the last one is 2, 4, 8, then our RMN can be 9 times 3 times 2, 9 times 3 times 4, 9 times 3 times 8, and then 9 times 6 times 2, 9 times 6 times 4, and 9 times 6 times 8.
Times 8. Yes.
So altogether that's 6. And
Yes.
then they can all be written as 27 times 2 to the power 1, 27 times 2 to the power 2, 20, and then all the way until 2 to the power 4.
Yeah, they're just written in the form of 2. So 9 into
Yeah.
3 will give you 27, and this is 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Like
So that must mean it's a value of, so it's there's 4 different values altogether.
Yes.
And then in the
It'll be
second
five,
situation,
5. 5 or 4?
1, 2,
Okay, yeah,
3,
4, 4.
yeah,
It's
4.
4, it's 4.
And then in the second situation, where it's either 3 or 6, it can be all 3s, 3 times 3 times 3, 2 of them 3s, 1 of them 6, 1 of them 3, 2 of them 6, all of them 6. So then each of those, you can write them as 27 to the power times 2 to the power 1, 27 times 2 to the power 2, and then 27 all the way until 27 times 2 to the power 4.
Yes.
So then all together, we already counted the 2 to the power 1 to the power 2 all the way to 4. Or we already counted that in the first situation. The only different one is just 27. So 27 and then all the first ones.
Yes. Okay. So for
So that's
W
5
is equal
altogether.
to 2, you will have these. I think you'll be able to understand if you go through it. For W equal to 1, for W equal to 0.
And then they use the same thing for all of them. They're just
Yes.
dividing.
At last, you are just adding all the number of possible values of RMN
Yeah.
from the beginning. Okay.
Oh, I think we accidentally went into solution 25.
1 minute. Okay, so if you add all of them, you are getting the answer is 85. Yes, it is option A.
Yeah.
Okay. Shana, shall we stop here? Shall we discuss this question in the next class, the question number 20?
Yeah, that's fine.
Actually, I thought of extending another session. Unluckily, the babysitter didn't show up today, so we'll continue this class in the next class.
Okay.
Okay, dear. You understood the question number 23 and 24, right?
Yeah, I understand them now. I'll
Okay.
just try them myself and see if I can do them.
Sure. Please have a look.
Yeah.
Okay, dear.
Okay, thank
Have
you.
a great weekend.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
You too.
Thank you.